Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate deleted Facebook page on desktop PC. So there are many reasons why you deactivate your Facebook page, or it can also be accidentally put on deactivated mode. So you can reactivate your Facebook page within 30 days of deactivation request. So today I'm going to show you how you can reactivate deleted Facebook page on desktop PC. So for that you have to uh, click your profile photo in the top right of Facebook from your main profile, and you have to select settings and privacy, then click settings, and under your information and click reactivate a page. Find the page that you want to reactivate and click deactivate. As you can see, when you come to the settings and privacy option, you just scroll into the pages option and click on view and test page 1. It's deactivated now. You can just reactivate it in just one click. So that's it for today's video, guys. That's how you reactivate deleted Facebook pages on desktop PC, and see you on the next video.